Hello, welcome back for the new video today, and we will catch up how to spawn Minion and then attack the script how to control Minion. Follow immediately. Play after that. Okay, first of all, you can see screen that we available as the many videos before that available player here that I set up that blue square here and uh, okay, we will create the script how to control player move back and forward. For script, we right click here, create a C sub script, the name that test v2 player controller. Alright, and then we add tag into player. Okay, and of course we add a box collider 2D with a rigid body 2D for the physical, and after that I will double click this script and you can see this one here that available as a default some script, and we can keep it or delete it all. Alright, for this one I will call rigid body 2D IB. This we just set up for the physics variable for content the physics rigid body. And now I will create something inside that we call start default here, and we set up the RP equal get component game object get component game object that's a component here, and we will add a side inside this one. So we finish how we just set up the series body into the IP variable, and the new one I will call some the function some the method we call the handle input player to listen AV the action that we call from the keyboard when we hit that a player you can listen. Okay, and I will set up inside this one. For I also set up some variable I call speed player, and we assign some value like the float or vector 2 movement. Alright, and for handle input player float move x access x, and input that get access did we call horizontal. Right float move y input get access raw, but the vertical. Alright, and then we attack all into movement equal new vector 2 with the move x and move y that normalize. Alright, so we have this one, right? And we should put everything the handle in the player into update method to listen every frame. Alright, so after that I will set up some move player method here. Inside this one RP I ask first the function available from the Unity, and we use it from moment double with speed player, and then after that I will put all of them into the fix updates for the control physics moment here. Alright, now we come back to Unity and see everything that okay or not. Hit this button. Okay, yeah, it's active, it's work, right? So now I need Minion prefab, right? Okay, that I call maybe circle here, Minion prefab. Alright, and I love red color here. A card as a bulk collider and add rigid body 2D. I add into prefab inside this. Alright, and now I need game object Minion spawner to control Minion prefab. For this one, I will create script test v2 Minion spawner, and after that I attack into spawner Minion spawner. Alright, double click this one. For this one I will create a method spawn Minion. For this one, initiate something inside this one. Before that, I need to set off the that I call the game object protect type game object Minion spawn Minion spawn. No, alright, and then put inside this one with new vector 2 random range from 9 f to 9. Alright, 6 f this one. Okay, quantarian the identity this one for new vector 2. We need a Unity engine that vector 2, right? Alright, something wrong inside that. You can call the game object Minion equal this one vector 2 new between something wrong. Oh my god. Alright, so when we have this one, we just spawn this one, right? We put into the update function and immediate, but it infinite, so I need to delete time float timer equals 0 float delay equal to f. Alright, so after that, after every single second, it will spawn the Minion. It's delay. So this timer plus equal time dot delta time if this dot timer equal is less than this dot delay will return, right? Then this dot timer equal 0. Okay, that's a delay this one. Okay, so now I will come back and see it's work or not. I need how to attack the Minion in this one here inside this one by I call awake. Okay, this one, and I need Minion spawner equal game object that's 5 that I call Minion prefab, and then it will attack into the Minion spawner, and then you can control it. Alright, so let's hit this button. Alright, yeah, create a new, right. 4, but I need to turn off this one, right? And I can call Minion spawner that set active 4, right? And then after that here Minion that set active 2. Right, finish this one. So I just come back and see everything is working on. Spawn the Minion here, random, yeah, from the 9F to 9F, minor 9F to the 9F. This one, okay, it's work. So now I will create the new script. I call test v2 follow player that I can have Minion prefab can follow player after spawning. Put to prefab. Okay, let's put into the prefab here, and it will have prefab follow player, and I will double click. For follow player, this one I will search via the internet, Unity, 2D or smoothly. I will copy this code via the internet and use it for my project. This one, I have this one, and then I will copy this and paste inside this one. For I will set up game object protect. Slide. I can call that the transform player at this one, and player is will paste here, and I will find this position. For the next one, float, I call the distance. This follow right equal 5F, and float speed follow equal maybe 7F. Alright, and when you see this distance here, modify this one, this variable here is modify this one, and then follow can put inside this. Alright, now I should come back this one and add follow player into transform and see everything is work. Okay, it follow every single minion can follow after that, after spawning. Okay, we finish this and say thank you very much to follow me this video and see you next video. Cheers.